we're situated right in the middle of Breckenridge Farm, which is a landmark along the Tunnel of Trees. Being just moments outside a harbor, we're currently surrounded by a wonderful horse farm.
This gorgeous property and home give a whole new meaning to neighbors, with these guys just hanging out just steps from your window in an early 1900s potato barn that is exquisitely restored.
When you walk through the front door, you get to see the whole home. As you walk into the top floor, you have a grandiose view of the whole house. You walk in above everything and couldn't be more of a grandiose entrance when you first step foot onto the property.
With a fantastic one-of-a-kind open floor plan and a Western feel throughout, the design of this home lends itself to a unique experience inside and out.
One of the coolest things about this location is the neighbors. You're settled right in the midst of a very wonderful working horse farm. Your neighbors are beautiful four-legged animals and horses galore.
There are 4 bedrooms to cozy up in and enjoy the views and setting, and the whole house is decorated with a fondness for the Western style.
You really feel like you're in the midst of a little paradise right off the Tunnel of Trees, close to town, with some amazing, fantastic, wonderfully decorated finishes.
The original silo of the potato barn was restored and turned into this one-of-a-kind breakfast nook. The architectural elements of the rest of the home create a distinct character that cannot be recreated.
This is a completely unique property that's one of a kind, that has some of the coolest, neatest, most intricate finishes as well as decor. It is such a unique place that I've never seen and never will another one with this much pizzazz.
For Amazing Northern Michigan Homes in Harbor Springs, I'm Katie Boomgard.